Bird therapy, also known as avian-assisted therapy or bird-assisted therapy, involves the use of birds, particularly companion birds like parrots, finches, or canaries, to promote emotional, psychological, and sometimes physical well-being. This type of therapy can be part of a broader category known as animal-assisted therapy, AAT. Here's an overview. Benefits of bird therapy. 1. Stress reduction. Listening to bird song or interacting with birds has a calming effect, reducing stress and anxiety. 2. Emotional support. Birds can provide companionship and reduce feelings of loneliness or depression. 3. Cognitive stimulation. Watching birds' behaviors or training them can improve focus, memory, and problem-solving skills. 4. Improved mood. Birds' playful and social nature can uplift mood and encourage positive emotions. 5. Social interaction. Caring for birds or engaging in birdwatching groups can enhance social skills and build a sense of community. Applications. Mental health. Helps in managing anxiety, depression, and PTSD. Rehabilitation, used in settings like elderly care or recovery. Centers to improve patients' overall well-being. Mindfulness practice. Bird watching and listening to their chirping foster mindfulness.